Hello guys, Ryan here with another video for you. This is my review of the Imperial Combat Assault Tank from Star Wars Rogue One. So, moving the tank out of the way, just going to give you guys a quick little look at the box. Nice detailing, has the little Kenner logo on it at the bottom right. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with any pilot, so I'm not going to be able to display it with that. Show you guys what it looks like on the side here. Move that a little bit. There we go. And this side, gotta flip it around again. So it just kind of shows you what it does, some of the features. Now we're done with that. I'm gonna put that on the side of my chair and move the tank back into view. And I will put my phone on the tripod, that way I could move it around and just kind of show it off to you guys. So, here is the tank. Take these off just because it's a little easier to show you guys move the tank around itself. And these come up. And it doubles as a transport for troops, which is really cool. So, anyway, the tank itself, really good detailing. And worn down, I like the edges here. They really, it just look so perfect. The desert printing on it and all that wear and tear and stuff like that makes it go really good on the shelf next to the Black Series ATST. So some of the features is that it can move the cannons up and down like you saw in the movie. It also has this one that you can move side to side, which is really nice. You can open up this hatch like so. That would expose the engine. I'm going to give you guys a closer look in just a second. And that one comes off, and you can open up this. So now I have that all done. I'll show you guys the interior right after I show you how the treads work. So unfortunately on this table I don't have a lot of traction, so it's a little tough for me, but it does work very well, and I can assure you about that. So I'm going to take you guys and move you on in here. So, inside. On all the walls you have this really good detailing with all little pipes and stuff. Like back here, it's not even touching the back. It's just molded so perfectly. You don't really have to worry about that breaking unless you smash it or something. And it would be hard to get your finger in there. But same thing with these. These pipes don't even touch the back wall. It's just really good. And even the chairs, they have the little handles and stuff like that. You could see detailing that they use for cushions. Even back there where you're really not going to see much, they have stuff. Get my phone to just kind of look back there. So yeah, really cool detailing. You got, if I can get the light to shine, you have consoles down there. Stickers, you don't have to apply those yourselves, that's already applied. And I like applying stickers, but when it's in a place like that, I prefer they are pre-applied. And you can steer the tank with this one. Unfortunately this one can't move, but I understand why they made that decision. Probably get broken or something. You also have these little levers, which are stuck in place, but I mean it's just for detail, and it looks so great I can't really complain. Speaking of detail, you can look inside here at the engine, and it's kind of hard to see on camera, but it has a metallic kind of flake to it, so it looks like it's more of a gunmetal kind of color. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on in this guy, and he fits in there okay. Could be better. I wish they had included a pilot. Would have been nice, since it would cost $80 and the TIE Fighter cost $80, and it got a pilot. So, also, real quick, looking at the hatch, you flip it over. Look, it has little fans and stuff like that, venting. Just really cool. Really cool. Not ghoul. It's not a ghost. Pop that open, and there you go. So that's what it looks like with him in there. Really nice. This one also has some grating in it, in case you were wondering. And almost forgot, inside here, you could see back there, I don't know what that's supposed to be, but to me, I'm going to pretend that's a coffee cup. Just because I think it would be funny. Obviously it's not, but still. They even got somewhere down here, which is really nice. So, this is what it looks like with the pilot in it. I'm going to go ahead, I have a little slideshow prepared for at the end. And, yeah, so this is pretty much it for the tank, except I still have to show you these. You have 3 of these containers, and one of them actually opens up. So real quick, I'm going to put this on to the tripod. That way I can show you guys what they look like. And here we are. Really nice detailing. This is the one that doesn't open up. And for the one that does open up, it's pretty much the same thing. It just has these hinges on the outside. That way you can see it a little bit better. It's a little bit bigger, but it's not really gonna, like, bother me that much, I don't think. Go ahead and open this on up. And you can pour out 3 of these real quick. Just, that's what it looks like with those open. And each one of these open. So you have a Kyber crystal, which is really cool. Don't know how good, yeah, it focused in pretty nice. I don't know what they really used, like, for that color. It doesn't look, like, it looks silver until I look at it up close. I'm not really sure, but it looks really cool. They did a absolutely just stellar job with this. So, I'm gonna go ahead, and now I will show you guys the slideshow. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that. I know it's not a clone vehicle, Clone Wars era vehicle, but I did just want to show how many troops it could fit, as I don't really have that many stormtroopers, but I hope to fix that this year. So, anyway, this vehicle I'm going to give probably a 14 out of 15, just because I would have liked to see these be able to open too, but I don't really think it could be done, so maybe 14.5, because it has to be my favorite. But anyway, thanks for watching, I'll catch you guys again in the next video.